This How to 1 Minute will show you how to set up a Discord server. First of all, open your Discord and make sure to log in into your account, and to the left hand side click on this plus icon. Click on create my own. In order to help you with your setup, is your new server for just a few friends or a larger community? Select any option from here and put here your server name. Click on create, and here you can see my new server has been successfully created. Once your server created, you can click on this server name to invite people to your server from here. And click on your server name, click on server settings, and from here you can change settings of your server. And to create a new text channel, click on this plus icon next to text channel. Give here the channel name, create channel. And to create a new voice channel, click on this plus icon next to voice channels. Make sure to select voice here. Click on create channel. So that's how we can set up a Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.